Hi guys, I'm planning on filming today, but the sale's almost here and I'm about to go out of town, and if I don't film this now, I don't want to be late to uploading for the sale. The Sephora sale is always a really good deal, but this time of year there's so many gift sets. It's just a really good time to prepare for the holidays and kind of get a lot of your gift shopping out of the way so you're not feeling the load of all of the expenses all at once in December. I just feel like it really does help break up your budget a little bit. So I really like to buy my Christmas gifts for my friends and family this time of year the most. So I'm excited to go over some of the gift sets. I just posted a favorites video, so if you guys want to see more of things that I'm loving, you can definitely check out that video as well. So before we get into what's in my cart and some of those holiday items, I just want to go over some of my favorite makeup products. As always, I love the Haus Labs foundation. It just looks so good and healthy on your skin. I'm sure you guys, if you're into Sephora, have already heard about this. It has just like really great ingredients and like a triclone technology, but I'm also really loving my Dior stick foundation. That is my recent obsession. Still using my Hourglass concealer, which I really like to apply on my cheeks before I put on my foundation on those days where I want like a lot of coverage. I'm still using my Patrick Ta Major Dimension palette, and I'm actually hitting pan on that. I feel like this time next year I'll probably have to pick up a new one, but that is just my favorite matte eyeshadow palette. I think it's so flattering and the tones are just gorgeous. My most worn lip liner is my Patrick Ta Major Dimension lip liner. I do want to pick up a few more shades during the sale, but I always pick up, I think I've gone through 2 things of the shade She's Strong. I love that liner so much. This was gifted, but I would pick this up if I didn't already own it because I just love this lipstick. It's from YSL and it's their Love Shine lip oils. I just really love having that in my bag when my lipstick starts to feel dry and I still want color. That one's just really comfy on my lips. And then for days where I want a really, really nude center, I just put a little dab of this Sephora liquid lipstick. Usually I just use a really dark liner with this Sephora brand liquid lip, and that's how I do my nude lips. So those are like my products that I've been using that I love. Obsession for me is this Makeup by Mario talc-free soft blur powder. I think it may have replaced my Laura Mercier powder. I don't want to say that too soon, but it's been so good. I really love that it has this brightening effect that's neutral and not too like yellowy. It's so flattering. Like I just mentioned, the Dior Forever Skin Perfect 24-hour multi-use foundation stick. Because it's a stick, you can keep it in your bag and kind of touch up your skin, and it doesn't look cakey. Like you can layer it on your makeup when you need to touch up and it just looks gorgeous. I'm so obsessed with that foundation stick. Love the Touchland hand sanitizers. The caramel scent has been my favorite. Laneige just came out with a sleep mask that is the scent Eggnog. I feel like a lot of people hate eggnog, but I feel like that just sounds like a very custardy or like creme brulee type of scent. Also, the Tatcha lip scrub is so expensive, and if you want to try it, I feel like that's a really good time to pick it up. The Glossier You Body Butter, ooh, that would make a really good gift for one of your friends. I feel like it's a very universal scent, and if the perfume was maybe too strong for you, the body butter is a lot lighter. I wouldn't say it's lighter, but like it's not as, I don't know, perfume's a perfume, body butter, you get what I'm saying, I hope. The brand Maine has this hot round brush gift set, and I really want to try out a round brush. I don't own one. I think that could just give my hair a little bit more volume, or those days where I just want to like style my bangs. So that one's a pretty good price. I think it's like $80. Most of my favorite designer scents are from YSL, and they have some really good gift sets at a really great price. You pretty much get like a free travel size with the fragrance, and it comes in a really pretty Christmassy box. I just feel like the presentation on that just feels really special and gives you all the holiday feels. Ariana Grande also is sold at Sephora now, and she has some really good gift sets. I think the Maud Vanilla perfume would make such a good gift. My favorite hair oil is from Gisou. I always put that in my ends. Sometimes I just feel like my hair looks like straw until I put hair oil in. So I love that set. That's a $74 value and it's $55. I've really been wanting to try the lip gloss as well. So I feel like that's a good time to pick it up if you already use that hair oil and you want to try the lip gloss. A lot of times I'm looking for a gift around $50. So I feel like that's a really nice, cute little set that anyone would be excited to open. They also have a set of my favorite dry shampoo from Amika, the Perk Up Power Up Dry Shampoo. It's my favorite dry shampoo. I feel like I can reuse it, and it just like gives my hair volume, and I can use it like multiple days in a row without my hair starting to look like it's looking weighed down. One of my most used links for perfumes is DedCool Milk, because it is so good for mixing with your other fragrances to give you your own scent, and just really attracts people. And like, I don't know, I get so many compliments when I wear this perfume. So if you ever wanted to try DedCool Milk, I feel like this is a really good time to pick it up. Summer Fridays has a hot chocolate lip balm now. I accidentally bought the coffee scent, so I'm gonna pick that up during the sale. I've been wanting to try the LYS bronzer contour sticks, but they're always sold out. So if those are in stock, I feel like this might be a good time to pick them up. My favorite cream contour from Huda got discontinued, so I've been trying to find something that's the same shade as that. I haven't found one yet, but yeah, I feel like LYS has some really pretty shades. One of my favorite foundation brushes lately has been the one from Say. It's really dense and soft, and just, I've just never been like a beauty blender girl. I feel like it just absorbs all the foundation, and I want all the product on my face, so I like using a brush like this one from Say. House Labs has these really pretty blushes. I've been wanting to try one for so long, and they sell out all the time. So this one's like a fiery peach color that I definitely want to get my hands on during the sale. Another fragrance that I just love that I thought maybe you guys might want to pick up, the Kilian Princess Eau Fresh. Kilian just has such unique, beautiful scents, and this one, because it's Eau Fresh, I think it's like $125, which is a pretty good price for a Sephora perfume. With the 20% off, it'll be around $100. So that's just like a nice, like almost more aquatic version of the original Princess perfume. I think I've purchased like 6 bottles of the Dior Backstage foundation now, because it just looks so good on your skin. The stick version I just talked about feels like the like a more full coverage version. Another perfume that I love from Sephora is the Hypnotic Poison perfume. It's like a very almond-y, cupcakey type of scent. Definitely try to get in store to smell it, because I don't think it's a safe blind buy. Last sale, I had picked up the Tom Ford body oil set. I also picked this up as gifts for my friends last year, and I just think it makes such a beautiful gift that looks so luxe. This is just such a good deal. So you get 2 1.5 fluid ounces. Most perfumes, like the big bottle is 3 ounces, and then the medium size is 1.75, and then the small size is usually 1. So to get 1.5 ounces is actually a really good deal. Even though they're oils, they create a really strong scent like a perfume, so I just feel like that is such a good deal. If you've looked at the Shark like hair drying system, I feel like this would be a good time to pick it up. Another fun eyeshadow palette that would be really fun to receive as a gift or to give someone as a gift is this Huda Icy Nude eyeshadow palette. A lot of really pretty neutrals. If you're unsure of what to get somebody though, I feel like anyone would love the Patrick Ta Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. During the sale, I definitely need to pick up another thing of my Olaplex purple shampoo. It's just my favorite shampoo to tone my hair. I used it last night, and I feel like my hair looks so much better. I try to not use it too often because my hair is really dry, but anytime I do use it, I just feel like it looks like I just got my hair done. Another gift set, Summer Fridays has a little mini neutrals lip butter balm set. This is so cute and easy to throw in your bag, and I feel like this would be fun to pick up and maybe have like a girls' night to make those cute little keychains. Ooh, I kind of want to do that with my friends. Day has a lot of really good gift sets. If I had to pick one hair brand from Sephora, Day is probably my favorite brand. I really like the cream that they have to kind of lay your hair and get rid of flyaways, and this set comes with like a little comb. Also a really good price that I feel like anyone would love to get that as a gift. L'Occitane also has their almond softening moisturizing holiday trio. I know this is bad, but I do sometimes like to pick up extra gift sets for those people that I forget to get gift sets for, and this is one that I think anyone would like. This is also something you could gift like a mother-in-law, your mom. Everyone showers, and these have really subtle scents that won't like irritate anyone. Another gift set from Gisou. This one has a hair mask, an oil, I think it has the hair perfume. I think this is similar to the set that I got a lot of my friends last year. I just like that it's all pink, and I feel like sets like this just make moving into the new year so much more fun with like a new little routine. I have a feeling these won't be in stock, but if you can get your hands on an Hourglass palette. I really wanted the one with the snakes, and I should have just picked it up before the sale, but I didn't pick it up yet, so I'm really hoping I can get my hands on that. One of my favorite primers is from Milk, and they have this Hydro Grip Priming Pregame Pack. So I haven't seen this before, but there's like a luminous gold primer that comes with it, and I feel like that could be really nice. Kelly has this little miniature set of 4 fragrances. They're all her sweet, warm fragrances. It comes with like vanilla, the candy, just some really good scents that I think anyone would love. If you're like a mom and you have a bunch of kids, that could be nice to throw into a stocking. YSL also has this Love Shine Nude Lipstick set, and they also have this mascara set. Both of these I love, and I like that they come in this really pretty packaging if you are getting these as gifts. I've been wanting the Dyson Airwrap. I feel like I might send this to my boyfriend. I don't know, I'm torn. I don't know, I feel like my T3 iron kind of gives me the same look because my hair doesn't hold a curl. I don't know if my hair would hold like a Dyson Airwrap curl. Let me know if you guys have one, but this would be a good time to pick up a Dyson. So Lawless also has this really pretty eyeshadow palette. It's a really good price and it's talc free. One of my favorite skincare products is from Paula's Choice, which is the Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. This is just nice if you have any discoloration or if you get bumps. It just really clears your skin. You can use it a few times a week. Even if you just get the little tiny one, you could really make that one last. If you just use it once a week, your skin will look so much better. The Valentino Born Roma Green Extravaganza is my favorite from the Born Roma line, and they have a little gift set that comes with the roller ball. I have been so obsessed with my Laura Mercier cream eyeshadow stick in the shade Mink. That just creates such a good base for eyeshadow. Say also has a really gorgeous blush set. It comes with 3 different blushes. A really good citrusy vanilla perfume if you've ever been interested in the scent like Lyra or anything like that. Forever Mood has a lot of really pretty fragrances and they're pretty affordable. I think they're $79. So my favorite one from her line is Hard to Get, which is a vanilla citrus scent. This one's pricey, but if you have it in your budget to splurge on a foundation, the Prada Reveal Skin Optimizing Soft Matte Foundation is like a really pretty medium coverage foundation. It just feels so like diffused and blurred on your skin. I've also been really loving the Milk Kush Hydrating Sheer Lip Oil in this like cake shade. It's like a really pretty beige nude gloss. Every holiday sale I usually get my boyfriend the Sephora Favorites cologne sampler. He just, I don't know, we both really love fragrance and it's fun that he can try out all the different scents and then go take that coupon in and get a full-size bottle. Always have some really good options for the guys. Okay, they also have this set for females, which comes with Libre and a bunch of other really good fragrances. So if you don't know what scent to get someone, that's always really easy and it does save a lot of money most of the time. Because I've been getting such bad acne, and the Paula's Choice 10% azelaic acid, it has salicylic acid as well. This really helped calm my breakouts so much. I had the sample size of the Kilian Apple Brandy and I've already almost used the whole thing because it's so perfect for the fall. If you're also a gourmand lover but you want something a little bit different, I feel like that's a really gorgeous fragrance. Ooh, I've also been loving my Creme Brulee Ole Henriksen peptide treatment. That feels so good on the lips. It's so silky and soft. Other items that would make amazing gifts. I love the Tatcha Violet Sea Radiance Mask. Anytime I have a special event, I like to put that on in the morning and just makes your skin look so glowy. The Oribe Gold Dust Transformative Hair Mask also helps when my hair looks dull. It just like brings the life back into my hair and makes it look shiny and soft. It's so expensive, but it is really, really good. I had a mini travel size of this Alchemy Strengthening Hair Treatment, and of course I fell in love with it, and I'm like, oh, I really want to get the full size. Glossier also has a little gift set that comes with a travel size and the full size. Yeah, Oribe has a lot of really good gift sets this time of year, but the Gold Lust Repair and Restore collection is what I would be the most interested in picking up. I feel like this is kind of boring, but I get a lot of questions about what my favorite shampoo is, and if I had to recommend anything, it would be the Day shampoo and conditioner, and they have a really nice treatment as well. But they have this really nice set that also comes with the hair oil. just the perfect little hair routine. Those are some of my favorite items at Sephora right now, and some of the gift sets that I'm looking at to maybe purchase for my friends and family. And I'm sorry if this felt a little bit rushed or unorganized. It's hard to find time to film as a mom of a 2-year-old sometimes, so I will have lists below as like my everyday makeup routine, recommendations, and gift sets. So hopefully that will kind of help you if this felt a little bit chaotic. But yeah, I really wanted to get something up during the sale, so I hope you guys enjoyed this even though it was a little bit spontaneous, and I'll see you soon in the next video.